Guys, here we go again!
Thunderstorm warning for Randolph County in central North Carolina, northern Montgomery County in central North Carolina, northwestern Moore County in central North Carolina, southern Guilford County in central North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winston-Salem to 12 miles southeast of Lexington to near Albemarle, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, High Point, Asheboro, Renoman, Troy, North Carolina Zoo, Eastgall, Seagrove, McLeodstone, and Archdale. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the
Alright
storm
guys, I
has
gotta go.
passed.
Bye.